A lot of things have been said since this incident happened on July 19th. A whole bunch of people have offered a whole bunch of different opinions. And I'd suggest to you that the mere fact that so many people have so many different opinions validates that the decision not to arrest Drejka at this stage is correct under the law. The facts of this case can lead reasonable people to different determinations, and as I'll discuss more here in a few minutes, the law says don't arrest in this situation and let the state attorney figure it out. As far as my decision not to arrest Drejka, my decision is based on the requirements of Florida's stand your ground law and is a preliminary decision about arrest and not a final decision about charges. Again, I make decisions about an arrest and the state attorney makes decisions about charges. That's our system. If charges are filed, then a judge decides whether to dismiss the case, and if not, a jury decides guilt, followed by an appellate court deciding if the prior decisions were right or wrong. My decision not to arrest is because Florida law creates a situation where someone is immune from arrest if their conduct is arguably within the parameters of stand your ground. This is not a defense to be merely asserted at trial or after commencement of criminal proceedings. This is an immunity from arrest. A person who uses or threatens to use force as permitted under the law is justified in such conduct and immune from criminal prosecution. And that section of the statute goes on to define immune from criminal prosecution as including arrest or detaining somebody in custody. In sum, the law has taken away law enforcement discretion to arrest unless there is no stand your ground as a matter of law. To arrest, it must be so clear that as a matter of law, stand your ground does not apply in any way to the facts and circumstances that you're presented with. That is not the situation here. The facts are not so clear that this is absolutely outside the boundaries of stand your ground. So in order for me to arrest, it has to be as a matter of law outside the boundaries of stand your ground. All Drejka has to do is wave the flag of stand your ground. He has no burden whatsoever. Then the state attorney has a heavy burden of disproving his entitlement to stand your ground. So when you put all that together, is that at this stage of the proceedings, I'm following the law and doing what the legislature has said not to do, and don't have this citizen who claims that he was acting in self-defense sitting in jail while people are figuring it out. And once they figure it out, the state attorney, I know and I'm very confident, will make what is the right decision under the law, and then it will go from there. I would anticipate that it will go to the state attorney's office this week.